In this video we'll look at selection modes in a 3D model. Selection modes allow you to control which subentities are highlighted and then selected. And they can be found here in the Access 3D toolbar. So these include prioritized selection of edges, prioritized selection of faces, and enable boundary detection. And you'll see that they're outlined in blue when they're active. Let's demonstrate these with a simple box in 3D, and activate prioritize selection of faces as an example. So now if we hover over a face, the solid face is highlighted in orange. And if we click on it, it will be selected. We can select multiple entities by clicking on them one by one. If we do this when holding down the Control key, the solid displays in blue, and if we click on it again, it's selected. You'll see that the same applies to edges. If a face or an edge is hidden from view, it can be revealed and highlighted by using the Tab key. There are two types of selection boxes in BricsCAD. Blue when dragging from left to right, and green and dragging from right to left. The blue window selects only the entities that are entirely within that window. The green selection includes entities in that window and entities that intersect one of the edges. When dragging over an entity, we can toggle between faces and edges by using the Control key. Also, when the Pick Auto System variable is set to a value of minimum 4, the lasso selections are available. And this concludes our lesson on selection modes.